news that's coming in. It seems like the seat sharing agreement has failed within the Mahagathbandhan. According to sources, Congress is adamant they are demanding more than 60 seats. Congress, in fact, is all set to field close to 65 candidates. RJD has set a limit of 58 seats for the Congress party. There's a fierce dispute that we are seeing taking place between the Congress and the RJD over the number of seats that RJD is willing to give to the Congress party. Congress, in fact, has proposed a formula of 138 seats for the RJD. The left parties have been asked to accommodate VIP in the remaining 40 seats. Without a clear picture on seat sharing, several parties, in fact, have issued symbols to candidates. A big tug-of-war taking place in the Mahagathbandhan. Till now, they have not been able to come out and to decide the seat sharing formula. The seat sharing formula is still very, very vague when we speak about the Mahagathbandhan. Sources have told India Today Congress party is adamant. They are now demanding more than 60 seats in the upcoming Bihar elections. Congress is preparing to field candidates in 65 seats. The RJD, on the other side, has set a limit of 58 seats for the Congress party. A fierce dispute taking place between the Congress and the RJD over the number of seats. Congress has now proposed a formula of 138 seats for the RJD. The left parties have been asked to accommodate VIP in the remaining 40 seats. Now, without a clear picture on the seat sharing formula, several parties have issued symbols to their candidates. Tejasvi Yadav, who was in the national capital, did not meet Rahul Gandhi. Conversations are still going on. Rahul Gandhi has made it very, very clear that Congress party this time wants more than 60 seats in the upcoming Bihar elections. Tejasvi Yadav all set to give them 58 seats.